As rumored over the past few months, Meta's upcoming high-end VR headset project Cambria seems to be named Quest Pro. And an apparent unboxing video has leaked too, which gives us a good look at the company's next VR headset and controllers. We saw the exterior box of Meta Quest Pro over the weekend, but a new video seems to have completely blown the cover off Meta's next VR headset. Here's a look at the box below for reference. The video was obtained by Spanish-language PC gaming streamers Xteriors Gaming and posted to their Facebook, showing off the headset's exterior and controllers. The images above, appended with the engineering sample sticker, are also seen on the box in the video, suggesting that either final or very near final versions of the hardware aren't just in the hands of trusted developers. Here's a breakdown of what we see in the video if you haven't caught our previous coverage. Meta Quest Pro is a high-end VR headset capable of AR interactions thanks to its color pass-through cameras, which are placed on the front part of the headset. You'll also probably notice the headset is remarkably more compact than Meta Quest 2, which is due to the infusion of Pancake lenses. Those, like the name suggests, are flatter than traditional Fresnel lenses, reducing the space between the display and lens for a slimmer, less front-heavy profile. The headset also includes eye and facial tracking, although we don't really get a good enough look at the inside of the headset to learn anything new here. The controllers are also a completely new design for the company, as you'll see them missing the traditional infrared optical tracking rings seen on Rift S, Quest and Quest 2. The slim controller is studded with its own inside-out sensors that in theory should allow for more robust tracking since they don't need to be within the line of sight of the headset itself.
Anyone, please help!
Okay. Uh-oh. Get away from me! Come on. This in history class. No!